Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Porchy Tech, and today I have another case unboxing for you guys. Alright, so this is gonna be a Spigen case unboxing, and this is gonna be for the iPhone 13 Pro. Okay, this is currently a gold. Currently have an Apple case on here, but I'm gonna do the unboxing for this case here, which is the Spigen Red crystal case. Alright, so I got this from Amazon. I'm gonna throw the link up in the description, so if you're interested in getting this case, then you can just go ahead and make your purchase from the link. Okay, so before I get into the unboxing, let me remove the case that I currently have on here. So this is an Apple official case here. Let's go ahead and take this off. As you can see, that's the old case. Let's put that aside. And if you want me to do a review on this case, then you could pretty much comment and I'll go ahead and do it. I have another color as well, so I could go ahead and throw the different colors so you can see. But with this video, it's all about Spigen, so let's get into this unboxing and put this case on the phone so you can see what it looks like. And this is a gold phone, the gold 11 to iPhone 13 Pro. I was about to say 11 Pro, but it's a 13 Pro. Okay, so let's get into the unboxing. All right, so here we go. We got the package here. Pop this open. So it's inside the plastic. Let's put the box here for now. Let's open this. Right, and as you can see, we have the case here. This is a red crystal. It's a really deep red, everyone, as you can see here. It does have some protective film on here on the outside and on the inside. And as you can see, we have our power button on the right, cut out here for your silent switch, volume up and down. So let's just go ahead and peel these off. I'm gonna peel the one on the outside here first. Let's peel that off. Okay, let's move this out of the video, and we're gonna peel off the inside one. Wow, look at the difference. See how crystal clear that is? Nice and transparent. Put it over the phone, as you can see, straight through. Looks really nice. So let's go ahead. As you can see, before I put it on the phone, look at this outline here for the camera bump. Looks really nice as well from the back here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the gold phone and see what it looks like. So let me go ahead and put this on the phone. Boom, there we go. It looks really nice and beautiful. Blends in really nice with the screen. That's how it looks. Let's turn the screen off. That's how it looks from the side. And this is the gold iPhone. As you can see, the cutouts here at the bottom for your speaker grill and your charger. The gold peeping, the gold just barely going through this red here. Looks really nice. It's a nice combination. Okay, and this is how it looks from the back. As you can see, that red crystal here. From certain angles, it looks really dark, like you could barely tell that it's red from some angles, but it's really nice. Look at the back here. Look at the outline around the camera. Looks really nice. All right, and let's see. Just put it on the back here. Really sturdy and nice. Offers some protection for your camera here, so you don't get those scratched up and messed up. Look at that. Ooh, looks nice. That's it from the side. That's it from the back as well. Let's take another look around. Your power button, feel how clicky those are. Nice and soft. They're not hard to click. You don't have to do much to get these to respond. Volume up, volume down. Nice and clicky. All right, and your silent switch is easy to reach, so you can, I got really big fingers, and as you can see, boom, off, on, silent mode, on and off. You can do it pretty easy from here. It's pretty reachable. And I cut my fingernails and I still get in there and turn it on and off. Really easy. Nice space here. Okay, and as you can see, it fits really nice and snug around your camera bump here, and just brings out, it gives a nice highlight to the phone. Look at this Spigen case on the gold iPhone. You definitely won't go wrong with this case. No matter what color phone you have, I think this case would go really nice with it. Okay, so that's it. That's the unboxing of the Spigen Ultra Hybrid Red crystal case, and this is it. Again, let's take a look. That's the color, red crystal. So I'm gonna have the link in the description, as I said before, so you can make your purchase there if you're interested in this case. All right, so thank you for watching again. Remember to hit the like button, share, and make sure you're subscribed and your notification bell is on to get notified when I have another unboxing on this channel. I'm gonna have a lot of phone cases coming, a lot of different techs coming on this channel here. I'm gonna have some unboxing and reviews going, so make sure you're subscribed and your notification bells are turned on to get notified. All right, peace.